Welcome to .NET-PHP-videos.com. Now we are trying to concentrate the procedure to create multiple interface implementation or multiple inheritance in C#.NET. సో మన ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో ఇంటర్ఫేస్ని ఒక క్లాస్లో ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలనేది అబ్జర్వ్ చేసాం. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోలో మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ను ఒక క్లాస్లో ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, అండ్ సి this is to understand how to implement multiple interfaces by a single class. This type of implementation is called multiple interface implementation. Alternatively, it is known as multiple inheritance in C#.NET. And try to open a new console application. Let me say interface example 2 it is. Create a new console application. See, this is a new console application, and this is that that namespace which includes collection of classes. The default class is program class, and this is our regular method, main method. And after that I go for a simple declaration for interface. You know that the procedure now to create an interface, you can define an interface like this. See, the name of this interface is interface first. The name of this interface is interface first. Interface can be created using interface keyword, right? So interface, the name of this interface is interface first. Try to define one interface, and let me define a method in this interface. First method is print method, and second method is display method. See, I used to work with same methods, which makes you easy to learn all these concepts. The reason, in my general examples, I concentrate two major methods called print method as well as display method. Similarly, you just try to define one more interface. See, the name of this interface is second, and define another method in this interface. The name of this method is details method. If you want a function, you just try to define function also. See, the name of this function is volume, which contains a parameter called x. Is it okay? See, now total 4 methods we have in two interfaces. There is first interface and also second interface, and now we try to implement these two interfaces by a class. The name of this class is my class. You can define interface first followed by interface second, separating these two interfaces using simple comma. Okay, now you try to implement these two methods. See, so this is print method, this is print method, which contains a statement called this is print. As you know that I think you have already seen my previous videos, you might know the procedure to write these types of methods, right? So public void display, and this is the closing of our method. And let me say that this particular method executes a statement. The name of this statement is called this is display method. Okay, and after that we concentrate one more here. This is details method. This is details method, and another function available here. The name of this function is volume, which is going to return volume of x like this. Okay, see, try to define methods in a class, and see, these methods have been defined in two interfaces. First interface is representing two methods, second interface again represents two methods, and now you just try to invoke all these methods, creating an instance to your regular class. See, there is print method, that you know that, and this is display method, which executes a statement, and there is one more method in interface second, and there is a function which is available in interface second. The name of this function is volume, which contains a parameter, and at the end there should be read or readline method, whatever it is. And see, this is the way you can define, you can implement two interfaces by a single class. And in order to implement two interfaces, you just try to use a semicolon, a comma, and then implement two or more interfaces by this class. Provided you have third interface, you just try to use one more comma and call methods of third interface. Now here, this first interface contains two methods, second interface contains two methods. The class must implement total 4 methods. Defining a method, not implementing that method in interface is illegal. Remember, understand? So when a class implements one or more interfaces, the class must implement all the members in the interface chain. Once again, once a class implements one or more methods, one or more interfaces, the class must implement all the methods in the interface chain. You just try to remember this important point and execute members of your regular class, creating an instance to the class like this. And there is one more possibility here. What is that possibility means? So you just try to include first interface into second. Directly you can implement second interface into this class itself. This is also one more possibility. I mean to say that one interface can include another interface. One interface can inherit another interface. There is a possibility between interfaces. One interface can inherit another interface, and this final interface can be implemented by the class. Of course, this is second. Here this class has to implement 4 methods. Why? Because second interface includes first interface. In the sense, total we have to implement 4 methods. 2 members from first interface, 2 methods from second interface. Understand? So keep watching my videos. For more details and clarifications, contact me at GTech. This is Murali. For any doubts, you just try to mail us .NETPHPvideos@gmail.com, info@.NETPHPvideo.com. Thank you very much. Keep watching.